Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the perfect mark of Kvasir. This powerful enchantment is a game changer, offering the invaluable Realm Shift ability. Realm Shift slows down time, giving you a crucial advantage in intense battles against formidable enemies, including the challenging Valkyries. We will cover each step, from locating the initial amulet to fully upgrading it, ensuring you can harness its full potential. Let's dive into the details and elevate your gameplay experience. Your journey begins in the New Game Plus mode, where you must first acquire the Amulet of Kvasir Plus. Head to the mystical realm of Ulfheim, navigating your way to the Light Elf outpost. Upon arrival, prepare for combat. You'll need to defeat all the Dark Elf enemies guarding the area. Once the path is clear, search diligently for a legendary chest. Inside, you will find the coveted Amulet of Kvasir Plus, a crucial first step towards your perfect mark. With the Amulet of Kvasir Plus in hand, your next step is to upgrade it. Make your way to any of Brock or Sindri's blacksmith shops located throughout the realms. Here, you will need to invest a significant amount of hacksilver and various upgrade materials, such as Dust of Realms, to enhance the amulet. Ensure you upgrade it to its absolute maximum level, which is typically level 6, to prepare it for its final transformation into the perfect enchantment. After fully upgrading your Amulet of Kvasir Plus, revisit either Brock or Sindri at their shop. You will now have the option to convert this powerful talisman into the perfect mark of Kvasir enchantment. This enchantment can be freely socketed into your armor, granting you the incredible Realm Shift ability without any cooldown. It also provides valuable boosts to your defense and vitality, making you a much more formidable warrior in any encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.